Hey guys, March 28th, Saturday, 4:30. I've been off work for a couple hours, chillaxing. Got to make some progress on the Jetta today. I need to wrap the downpipe. It actually rained this morning. That's work till 1. Been chilling till 4 now. I'm gonna wrap that downpipe, reinstall the downpipe, rip the test pipe out again, drill a hole, weld on the fitting for the PCB dump. Yeah, we got a lot of shit to do. It's getting closer though.
Getting high over here. Look at that. Nigga, that's that dub factor. Don't call me fucking lit.
A little bit ago, had the police department pull up. Wondering what the hell my car was out here for. So yeah. Alright. As adjusted by my homeboy Cody, I got the header wrap nice and wet before applying it. And that prevented it all from flaking and flying into my face, my eyes, and getting all over my clothes, which it still is, but I mean, not nearly as bad. So we're gonna install it before it dries and get this thing installed. Pretty easy install. By my design. It's by pure luck. And the oil return doesn't hit nothing, apparently. So my big concern was the downpipe hitting the oil return. Exhaust is done. Oil drain is done. It's nice and way out of the fucking way. Oh hell yes, it doesn't even touch the downpipe. However, it's aimed directly at the fucking wastegate. Oh, fuck. So I've already swapped on the Mark IV throttle body, which I should clean it. Damn it. While we're here, I'll clean it. Need to cut this section out, so I'll plumb a pipe. Alright, save you guys some noise damage. We cut this section out. Just this little piece. And that should give us a whole bunch of clearance for that pipe. Hot, 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 hot. I'm gonna clean it up. Alright, so now at this point I think I can actually put the bumper and everything back on. Now I can start plumbing my way for the charge pipe. Too long, I don't remember now. Yeah, it's this. Alright, so I spent 40 minutes now or so trimming all this plastic shit. And very delicately trimming it so I don't gouge into the radiator or the AC condenser, but I'm happy with it. That's actually a whole lot of support. You can see it's all flimsy as fuck now, but it's fine. If we hit anything, the whole front end's gonna explode. But since the front end's plastic, pretty much gonna explode anyways. So let's go into trash this. See how this intercooler fits now. Okay. Oh, hi Kato. Am I forgetting what time it is, maybe? So yeah, charge pipe's gotta be trimmed. What'd you get, buddy? What's up, Kato? He pinned something down. What a cute dog.
Down to the garden, took a little dip on it. Apple juice falling from my lips, took a little trip. Down to the garden, took a little dip on it. Apple juice falling, took a little trip. Down to the garden, took a little dip on it. Trip down to the garden, took a little dip on it. Apple juice falling.